Good morning. Welcome to Mickey and my craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today, I hope everybody's doing okay. I hope you have a good weekend. Okay, today we are going to do a post review of one of the budget-friendly company DIY shoes. These are special shapes, but I'm going to include also a small one, a 30 by 30 that I don't know what company belongs. It might be DIY shoes because I know it's one of the oldies, but these ones are the most recent. I'm going to try to find the link to the video of the unboxing of this one, okay? So, for all those new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, okay? Comment, please. Comments are appreciated, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified of all the videos. Pretty soon we're going to come back to resin again, but since I'm a newbie, it's going to be like a trial and error thing, okay? So let's get started. The first one, you can tell me which one you like, okay? The number one is this one. Look at how pretty it is. Look at that. And I already had the treated with Mod Podge. Look at how beautiful those flowers. This is good for a garden, you know, to have it in a, if you have a place where you can see, you know, that has a wall and a ceiling, and you can hang it out there close to your thing. These were fun to make, and I made these 4s in a matter of 3 days, so they are very easy to do. This is number 1, okay? Number 2, haha, look at this. This one can be used either for fall or for the 4th of July. This is a patriotic one and I like it. Look at how beautiful those trails, how they shine. Look at the sunflowers, beautiful. And the star looks like a 3D. But look at all those sunflowers, how beautiful they are. Excuse me. Look at the shine of those trails. Look at the star. I like the can. Look at the wall. That's a bird, and those are pumpkins. So this one could be used for fall or for the 4th of July, which is coming soon. This is number 2. Number 3, oh, look at this. Ah, refreshing. Lemonade, the summer, which is around the corner. Although we have some temperature that look like the summer, but in terms of the calendar, it's not yet. And take a look at this. Beautiful flowers. A straw with a bow. Everything was cute to, you know, to drill. The drills came out okay. You know, there is no too much garbage. But this one is magnificent. This is number 3. Okay. Take a look at this. The detail on the leaves of the lemons. Okay. And number 4. Take a look at this. This is spring color. I know that spring is almost gone, but This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I like it. I like it. This is beautiful. I love it the way they set up the contour for the jars. But take a look at those flowers. We have tulips in there. Another tulip. Marguerite. So this is beautiful. This is number 4. This has all kinds. This has 17 different drills between rhinestone and a special shape. 17 colors. Look at how beautiful and gorgeous this is. Okay, and the one that I just told you, you can choose this one or this one. I 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you like the mandala, take a look at this one. That combination of pink and green. Very well done. Well, it's not a pink. It's kind of like a purplish, reddish pink. This one is also, you see, 30 by 30, but I forgot to write the company name. So I'm including it on this one. If you like the mandala, that's okay. Write your comment below which one you like. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I'm going to pass it through them again. But this is beautiful. I like the combination of colors. So here is number 4. Okay. Number 3. Number 2. Number 2, the Patriotic one. Write in your comment below which one is your favorite or if you like all of them. But these are pretty, very pretty for different areas of the house. And of course, we have the mandala over here. Okay. Okay, so this is it for today's post review of DIY shoes. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up. Have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.